Welcome to 1 crore projects. Today we will discuss about the project title like multi-disease prediction using machine learning. The project is based on the machine learning project, then based on the web application project. We have to use Django framework to build in this application. Let's go. I will explain that one. So this is our home page. Here we can see some of effective effects using JavaScript. There are 4 algorithms in this application. One is a logistic regression, then k-near best algorithm, then SVM, then random forest. These are the algorithms we have to use in this application. Then I just click the login button. Already I have a credential like admin. This one is admin dashboard. Here we can see some of data tables like dataset preview. That one is hard dataset. Then this one is a diabetes dataset. Then another one is breast dataset. Then we can see the graphs, like some of graphs we can see based on our dataset. Okay, based on hard dataset. Yes, this one is a data like age versus blood pressure. This one is blood pressure. Then X column is age, then Y column is blood pressure based on our data set. It is a dynamic graph. We can click anyone so here we can see some of features like minimize and maximize the data set. The plotly module we have to use to build in this feature. Okay, then diabetes graph, like we can see. Then after that breast cancer data we can see. Okay, all the graphs are based on dynamic. Okay, not a static. It is not an image. It is a dynamic graph based on our data set. Okay, then again I just click the logout button. We can see the heart disease, then diabetes, then breast cancer. First I want to click the heart disease. I just enter some of details like 23 female, I just enter the sum of data. Like in this fields in our dataset columns. Okay, then I just click the submit. The result will show on this you don't have heart disease. Okay, then again I just click the diabetes disease. That one is same also. Okay, then I just click breast cancer. I want to enter some of data. I just enter the data. Yes, the result is you have breast cancer. In that output is will come on our model, like machine learning model. Then I want to go my home page. This is our home page. Some of algorithms we have to use, like logistic regression, SVM, random forest, KNN. It's like based on machine learning algorithms. It was mostly used for prediction. Already you know, it was mostly used for predictions. The machine learning is having three types of algorithm. One is supervised and another one is unsupervised and reinforcement. Okay, that is the project we have. We have a lot of project like this. If you have a project, you can directly contact our office to get the project in low cost. Okay, thank you for watching, guys.